Welcome to The Source.
So you have your bio, but have you optimized this for social media? Every platform is different, so let's talk about how to build your best bio on each of them. On Instagram, you have 150 characters to showcase you and your value. So to start off, let's make sure that your name is optimized with some keywords that instantly highlight your niche. Your bio itself should be 3 to 4 lines. Think of this like bullet points, so leave out any hashtags or abbreviations. First, state who you help. Next, add in your unique value proposition or what sets you apart. The third line is optional, but if you want to mention any stats or awards, feel free to add them here. The final line should be a call to action. What do you want somebody to do most when they visit your profile? On Facebook, we have 255 characters, so let's keep it short and sweet. State who you are, what you do, and who you do it for. YouTube allows 1,000 characters, but the most important part is the first line, so make sure you showcase your unique value proposition first. TikTok's bio section is incredibly short with only 80 characters, so be really picky about what you have in here. I recommend just using your unique value proposition and wrapping it up with a call to action. When it comes to LinkedIn, you have 2 places you should focus on, but your headline is the most important of the 2. In here, you have 260 characters, so showcase what you do, who you do it for, and finish it up with your unique value proposition. The second place is your About section. This one's a little longer. You have about 2,600 characters. Do not feel like you need to use all of them. In here, you can use your full bio, but make sure you break it up into smaller paragraphs of about 2 to 3 sentences. And if you can, try to bullet point some key information that you want people to see. Most people will just skim this section, so make sure it's as eye-catching and informational as possible.
And that's all for this month on The Source.